Now, I want you to watch this very carefully, because you're going to see one of the Nexrads causing precipitation. I'm going to show you where the Nexrad is exactly to the spot, and you are about to see a massive beam as explained in patents and weather manipulation and other videos that we've got. Now, this is caught the Met Office propaganda that they deny with their pants down. Now, I'm going to play this. You'll see a beam come to the right, across between Luton and Oxford, around that, between Luton, Oxford and central London. And this is how precipitation is caused by the Nexrad Duplex Radar systems, as controlled by the Met Office with their supercomputers across the UK. So here we go. Okay, let's just slow it down. So you see the cloud massing up there, you see the beam coming from the right, and the beam's coming from that Nexrad station, which is just below Luton between Oxford, and there's the beam kicking in across there, and you see the precipitation. Yeah, let's just wind this baby backwards. So you just sort of trail the beam there, which I'll point out in a minute. There's the beam kicking in, there's precipitation, and that line goes straight down to the Nexrad station between Luton, London and Oxford. Let me show you. Let's follow the beam first, and you'll see these concentration of wavelengths coming. That's the Nexrad station there. You see the beams there. You see the rainfall caused by the beams between 4 and 8 millimeters. 8 to 16 is the pink, the deep purple 16 millimeters per hour. Okay, so all these beams come down just below Luton. It's actually Amersham, and I'm going to show you the Nexrad's mapping at the Met Office. Their map, not mine. So there we go, and you see that beam come through right down. This is not Luton Airport radar. For you idiot shills that start coming in and going, it's Luton Airport. Thickos. It's the Nexrad station that's there, and I'll prove it to you in a minute. So that's where it's all pointing. There's loads of these beams across Ireland where the Nexrad stations are, and that's near Belfast Airport as well. You get the same things. So look at those beams all pointing down to that focal point that I'm going to show you. So let's run it through in the motion again. Okay, here we go. She comes around. Off to the top right, you saw that rain coming in. There, it hits, the beams are hitting, the cloud mass forms there, the beam comes down, maximum precipitation, there you go, and there's the cloud formation that hits maximum precipitation of rain. There you go. So let's put this beam back now to where it is. That's clear enough. So she comes down here, out from the channel, down just below Luton, and the other beams are pointing somewhere between Luton and Oxford, just south there, between the triangle between London, Luton and Oxford. Right, so let's have a look at this then. Here we go. There is your baby. That is a Nexrad Duplex Radar Station. And what else have they got here? Let's just look here. To the right, you've got one of them powerful transmitter towers too. My friends, that is not a normal BBC2 radio transmitter, TV transmitter. This is similar to the structures that HARP uses, that Tesla used to build, that transmits high energy into the ionosphere for manipulation by these things here. So there we have it. So we'll exit street map. Okay, up we go. Let's come out. Let's show you where north is. And it wouldn't be anywhere near Luton and Oxford by any chance, would it? Oh, there's Luton. Oh, there's Oxford. Oh, yes. Ah, yes. And here's London. And it's smack on that spot where that beam came over. Yeah. No, it's not taking place. It's just a conspiracy theory. We're all mad. So, seriously, folks, let nobody say the weather's not being manipulated. There's your hard facts. And just to confirm this, let's have a look down. There you go, Luton, Oxford. The other beams came from there. And lo and behold, it is, if I can find it again, my highlights come off. There. Near Amersham, Hertfordshire. There's the coordinates. You'll find that those coordinates on Google Earth go smack onto that Nexrad station. They call it in the Chennies. Oh, Chennies. Oh yeah. Oh, it's weird. It's smack in that spot where we got precipitation and those energy beams coming in and the Nexrad Duplex kicking in, causing rainfall. There you go. This isn't to study the weather. This is to make the weather. And here you go. It looks just like that one that we just seen. And there's others that they use around the UK. Dean, Wiltshire. Cheney's, Hertfordshire, the one we've just seen. Stornoway, Isle of Lewis. And ironically, you see on every one of these radar stations, when they kick in and you see the beams coming out, the rainfall pisses down. Excuse my French, guys, but nobody should be happy about this. There you go. There's all the details on the radar at the Met Office.